So if your iPhone Air randomly keeps showing no service, SOS, and maybe it's either showing blank in the network section or just keeps searching for network, well, don't panic. Let's see how you can fix it fast. Alright guys, so before we go into any process, I remind you that sometimes this happens if you're constantly moving, changing location, or maybe you're currently in a remote location where there is no network. If that's not your issue, first off, just swipe down Kernel Center, turn on airplane mode, wait around 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. This will quickly refresh the overall network on your iPhone Air. If that didn't help you, next what I can do is just force restart your iPhone Air. Just press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold the side button until it shows the Apple logo on the screen. Now, oftentimes network issues happen for a software glitch and a quick reboot might solve it. If you're still having the same sets of problem, let's open up settings, go to cellular, scroll down a bit. If your eSIM is visible in here, although there is no network or no service, just go ahead, turn off the line, wait around a couple of minutes, and then turn it on again. Now, if that didn't even fix your issue, next we're going to just straight reset network settings once. So from settings, go to general, scroll down till the end and hit transfer reset iPhone to reset, and then just reset network settings. Make sure you got your Wi-Fi password and then reset network settings in our Air. Now, after the network reset, we recommend you to let your iPhone Air a bit of time, a couple of minutes to register to the network and see if now it solved your problem. Because most of the times, after a network reset, the no SIM or no service problem are solved. If not, now, before going into the next process, make sure you got your eSIM QR code ready or available to transfer from another device. Because now we're going to recommend you to delete and reinstall the eSIM. So if you're okay with that, from settings, go to cellular, scroll down, and then just go ahead, delete your eSIM from here. If you got multiple eSIMs, all are acting up, if you got all the QR codes ready or available to transfer all of them, just go ahead, delete them. After that, just tap on Setup Cellular. You can either scan QR code or transfer eSIM from another device, whatever it is your situation. And then just go ahead, follow the prompts, and set up your eSIM once again. If everything is okay, your iPhone Air should detect your eSIM now and you can use it without any problem. Otherwise, in rare cases, if you still got this problem, we recommend you to contact your cellular service provider. Let us know in the comment section if we could solve your problem. Thank you for watching.